Milwaukee's new PACKOUT charger and radio, model number 2956, is superior to the old model in every single way imaginable, and that includes sound. Not only is this audio link where this guy isn't, meaning that you can connect this up to a lot of other speakers, including their M12 audio link speakers. Unfortunately, you cannot connect it up to this older model because it's not audio link, but it just pushes sound out in a much higher quality with more bass everywhere compared to the old model. Now this PACKOUT model is also smaller, so if you go to put it on the top, it's only going to take up half. Sits in there quite nice. It has a smaller antenna on it, which actually works better than the old model. The old model was much taller and larger. So it's surprising if you are someone who listens to a radio, you can pick up those radio stations inside buildings. It's no longer that big of a deal compared to many of the older job site radios. Let's go through and listen to these. And again, you're coming through a microphone, through your computer speakers or your phone. You will hear a difference between the two, but not as significant as it is in person. Let's start out with the new model. That sounds good as it did before. We're gonna switch over, we'll power off, power on. And I have the bass. I have the bass up on this. It's just blaring treble, which is surprising, but let's listen. Nothing. Huge difference. So if you're questioning which one is better, the new one is much, much better. New PACKOUT radio and chargers buttons are just top of the line. So we'll push the power to turn this on, and it's going to connect up to my phone right off the bat. It's on Bluetooth. You got a red light here saying that we are charging the battery that's on the inside. We are currently hooked up to AC power. All this stuff works with the phone. I'm not sure on YouTube if it's going to actually play for us. So this is one of our clips. I gotta have YouTube okay or compatible music. So when we're in here, we can change the bass. No issue, up and down. If you're going really loud, 2 bars up is about all you can go. Treble, up and down. And it is significant when you get in here. Up. That's all the way. And the bass on that is pretty bad because it's recorded and it doesn't come through well. This will actually shake the counter without a doubt. If you wanted to go in and audio connect, no issue. You push that button. You have 18 favorites on this guy for a radio station, which I think is pretty significant. This white bar will actually blink if you start to get to a point where it is pushing a little bit too much out of the speakers. And it also comes down as you bring the volume down. And it'll go up, blink, telling you that you're at the top. Nice setup as far as everything. You have 4 speakers in here, 2 larger woofers in the front and 2 tweeters. Simple setup, USB-C output on the side. Now this USB-C output is very simple. If you're running off AC, it is live at all times. No issue. You don't have to have the radio on or off. It just is simply live. If we're running off of battery, you have to have the radio on for it to push out power. In many ways, I like how this old PACKOUT radio and charger fits into the PACKOUT stack because it could go anywhere. It could go at the bottom. It could just sit anywhere you needed it to rather than this guy, which is going to sit on the top. But for most people, they're going to pull this off and plug it in or set it to the side immediately once they get to the area that they have to be in. So it works. I like having a simple phone holder on the top that's out in the open so you can grab it if you want to. The charging cables are easy to use. Everything is there, and it's not inside a little container or contraption like it was on the old model. I think everything here is spot on. Price $299. It's up there a little bit in price, but you're getting a lot with it. Now, if you need an excuse to buy this and you don't work on the job site and you're at home, this guy will Bluetooth up to your TV if your TV will Bluetooth to headphones or anything like that. And then you can push this around to other audio link speakers that you might have. This extends TVs and really does voices quite well, especially compared to the older model. If you listen to songs that have any type of voices in them, it's amazing. It just simply pushes out music similar to what you would think you'd hear in a new higher end car system, which isn't that great, but it isn't that bad either. Compared to what we used to deal with, this thing is 10 times better. So if you're looking for a radio and looking for an excuse, connect this up to a TV, watch a football game through it, and you'll be absolutely amazed. Not only can we charge our batteries, charge whatever else with our phone, it's going to be a little bit slower on the USB-C. It is not going to be a 100 watt or even a 65 watt output, but you have the ability to do it, and I think that's pretty cool. So, comments below. As always, I'm very interested in hearing what you think about this. I have a few shorts out there where I kind of go through the little intricacies of this, just if you're looking or ran across a couple of those. So subscribe to the channel. If I find anything else, I'll keep you updated in little short videos. But so far, this thing has been absolutely amazing, and I'd highly suggest it, even though the price is up there. Thanks again for your time, guys. Give us a like in this video, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.